Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset an LG home theater system without your remote. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we want to do is turn off the system using the power button on the unit. Then unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Then press and hold the stop or eject button on the front panel depending on your model. While still holding the button, plug the power cord back in. Then keep holding for 5 to 10 seconds until the display blinks or says reset or hello. Then from there, release the button. The system should now be reset to factory settings. Now, if it doesn't work, we can go ahead and try method 2, which is a hard reset via power cycle if the above didn't work on your model, lacks a reset button. So simply turn off the unit, then unplug it from the wall, then disconnect all cables, HDMI speakers, etc. Then leave it unplugged for at least 10 seconds, or 10 minutes rather, then plug everything back in and turn it on. This often clears minor glitches or software issues.